With Rae's Smart Meetings, you can add new recordings to your library by clicking the Add button and selecting the file you want to upload. Once the meeting is added, Smart Meetings will automatically transcribe the audio and sync the text to the video. As the video plays, Smart Meetings will jump to the correct position within the transcript, keeping you on track and making sure you don't miss a beat. Should you want to modify the transcript, you can do so easily within the transcript editor, as well as navigate to the Details tab to name and add speakers participating in the meeting. You can create a table of contents by adding an active link that is tied to the associated position within the video. This allows you to easily navigate through the recording and jump to the content of interest. Additionally, Smart Meetings offers full text search so you can quickly find desired moments within the video library. Create bookmarks on the fly so that you can jump back to the important information at a later time. You can post comments and discuss moments within the context of your video. Smart Meetings allows you to mark up and tag content within the transcript. You can mark up whole segments or selected text with different outcome categories. Within Smart Meetings, you can also create summaries, edit outcomes, and add your own notes. And then share that information with others to view or edit. Smart Meetings makes it easy to set permissions for your marked up videos and notes to be viewed publicly or privately for users.